Hello and welcome. Thank you for being here with me. I am nationally award-winning jewelry designer Jill Maurer, and today I have an Hermes unboxing for you. I recently purchased my Hermes Kelly. This is the 28 Cellier with palladium hardware, and I do love this bag. It does come with a strap. I go into detail about this in the unboxing. It does have a strap. This is a shoulder strap for me and is not a crossbody strap. I really wanted a crossbody strap for this bag, and that is what I am unboxing for you today. After carrying my Hermes Kelly for a while, I did decide that I wanted to have a crossbody strap for it. I like it on the shoulder and I like it handheld, but it just gives it a little more variety. When you pay this much for a bag, you should be able to wear it as many ways as possible, right? I went to DC to visit my friend Bobster92, and together he and I went to the Hermes store, and they did not have much in the way of straps. I could not find the bag strap that I wanted. So I came back and I ordered it directly from Hermes. I'm not going to show you the other side because it does have my address, but here's the box. Autumn Beckman gave me a great thing to open packages, but I grabbed scissors because of this outer edge. I don't know exactly what I'm going to discover when I get into this. We'll see. I may wish I had her little device. See if I can show you what I'm doing here. Okay, inside is this box, and it does look like this. This is going to be very easy to open. She says, yes, it is easy to open. Oh, that's so cute. Here it is in here. So it's a box within a box within a bag. You will be familiar with the orange box. It does say Hermes. It's kind of right in there. It's right in there. Here it is. The paper. Trying to do this for you. It's hard for me to hold it this way. It is in a bag. Here we go. Here is the strap that I chose. I want to talk to you about this strap and all the different options there are. This is blue, and it is a cloth strap. Here is the end of it. The leather should match my Kelly. We'll see. It does say Hermes on that side. I think you can see it. Let me show you how these look up close. Some sort of number there. The other one says Hermes Paris, made in France. Here is how it looks with the gold Kelly. That is a perfect match. This strap is called the Hermes Sangle Cavale, and I do want to tell you a little bit about this because when you're ordering online, if you don't understand the differences, it can be very confusing. There are a lot of leather straps. The leather straps I found to be too stiff. I like this one better. When you're ordering this, there are 5 things to consider. The first is the color. The color that I really wanted was gold and white. I just couldn't get it in the configuration that I want. I may also get that later, but I do like this one a lot, and I like it with the bag. I wear a lot of blue and I like the contrast. So the first thing you have to look for is the color, but not only the color of the strap, also the color of the leather. I wouldn't say that it has to match necessarily, but do be aware that there are different leather colors even with the same blue. So this blue, I haven't seen another leather color, but it may have it. Just pay attention to that. The second thing to pay attention to is the length. I have seen this on the website in 2 lengths, the 85 centimeter and the 105 centimeter. I have selected the 105 centimeter because it is the one that is supposed to go crossbody. My understanding is that some of the straps also come in a shorter size, and I think it's either 70 or 75 centimeters. That is the second thing to consider. The third thing to note is the width of this strap. There are 2 widths. Mine is in the 25 millimeter, and it's also made exactly double this in the 50 millimeter. Bobster92 prefers the 50 millimeter, and he has a lot of those. They look great on him. He also prefers the shorter shoulder strap. When we put it on me, it was so big and it sort of slid off. It just flapped up. It's just not right for me. The 25 millimeter is right for me. The width is the third thing to consider. The fourth thing to consider is the color of the hardware. This one is palladium hardware, and it matches my bag. The brown that I have found, the gold color, I keep finding it with the gold hardware, and I want them to match. I don't necessarily think the hardwares have to match, but I really wanted them to match in this case. Do keep that in mind when you're looking at these, that you want to pay attention to the hardware. There's a plastic thing on the clasp right now. It looks kind of weird. It looks kind of like a magnifying glass. Number 5 also has to do with the hardware, and that is the size of this clasp. When I was in store, there was one that I liked, and we tried to put it on my bag. It wouldn't go on my bag. These were too small, and we thought maybe it was made for a mini Kelly. She told us it was actually made for a wallet. There are some that are just so tiny, she literally could not get it over this metal piece. So do pay attention, especially when you're buying online, to the size of that. Let's take it off and put it on the bag. Here is the bag. I will take this off. While I do this, let's go ahead and compare the two. I should have been farther away from this. I will definitely insert some video here so that you can see a little farther out. Let's compare these two. So this is the strap that comes with the bag, and this is the strap that I just purchased. And you see that the colors are good. They might not be exact, they're pretty close. So let's see the difference in length. Here you go. Here is the difference. And that is the difference between being able to wear it crossbody and being able to just wear it on your shoulder. Took a little bit of work, but I was able to get this off the hardware. So let me give you another shot of that. See if you can see that there. And this is how it opens. This is how the gold Kelly looks with the blue and white Sangle Cavale strap. I love it. I really like it. There's also a black and white one that I like a lot that I think would look great with this bag. And there's then a multicolor one. I don't like that one as well for this bag. I would like that better with a black bag. Oh, I've also seen a yellow and I've seen sort of a peachy color. I don't know if I've seen those on the Hermes site or on pre-loved sites. So I don't know what colors are current and what other colors they come out with. The thing about the Hermes site is things pop up and then they go away, but you have to know those 5 things about this strap or you could get into trouble and order the wrong thing. But that is how it looks. I love how that looks. It adds a little spice. It's a little more casual. And when I'm crossbody, I am being a little more casual. I might be in jeans or I might be in white linen. I love the way that this looks with it. The other straps that they have are leather and they're stiffer. I like the casual nature of this. I like the flexibility. I like being able to just kind of loop it up and hold the bag like this when I am not carrying it crossbody. I like how it looks that way. I love this bag so much and I want to carry it almost every day. And to do that, I like having variations on how to carry it. This strap is one way to vary up the bag, and then also the Hermes twillies that I like putting on the bag is another way. Just gives the same bag a lot of different looks. Let me know what you think about my choice of Sangle Cavale bag strap and if you would have made a different choice to carry with this bag. I have done a few other videos with this Kelly, which I will put below, and if you would like to see the unboxing, you can see that right here. And of course, please do subscribe if you haven't already. Bye for now.